Does your computer contain important files that you wouldn't want to lose? Then you should have a backup system so that you can restore your file no matter what may happen. There can be many ways that we lose our important data. We can lose data as a result of hardware or software failure, malicious attacks, accidental deletion, data corruption, or even natural disasters. Remember, no two organizations have the same data backup plan. The best plan allows for restoring your data as quickly as possible so it doesn't affect your day-to-day business. It's important to create a plan that works best for you. Here are some strategies that will help you protect your data. The 3-2-1 backup strategy. This strategy includes creating 3 copies of your data and storing it in 2 different storage locations, one of those being off-site. This keeps your valuable data segregated and safe from overwriting, an important defense against ransomware. It also allows you to recover from many types of disasters, including natural disasters which may destroy your physical copy. Make sure to regularly back up your data, at least weekly. If your business accumulates a lot of data, you should back up your data more often. The more time that passes between backup copies, the more data that can be lost. Here are a few of the different kinds of backups. Full backups make a complete copy of all of your data every single time. This makes recovery easier, but can become time-consuming. Differential backups copy all of the data that has changed since the last full backup was performed. This means you only need the last full backup and last differential backup to restore data. Incremental backups copy any data that has changed since any previous backups, incremental or full, and can therefore lessen time between backups. Typically, backup operations employ a full backup combined with either differential or incremental backups. Whatever method you choose to back up your data, it is important to test the recovery process annually so that you know how to restore your data and how long your restoration process takes. You can also see if any backup test fails and plan the appropriate steps to take so you do not lose any valuable information. Remember that backing up and having a plan to restore your important data is the key to keeping it.